In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to a PayPal account and make it the primary number. This is a simple update, but it's an important one if you want to keep your account information current and make sure you can receive security codes, alerts, and other account-related messages without any issues. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along step by step. To get started, sign into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage personal details and security information. After that, go to the Account tab. This section is where PayPal stores your main profile information, including contact details like your phone numbers. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. In the phone numbers area, click the Add button. This is where you can enter the new phone number you want to connect to your account. Carefully type in the number, making sure it's correct, since PayPal will use it for verification and communication. Once you add the number, PayPal will send a confirmation text message to that phone. This step is important because it verifies that the number belongs to you and that you can access it. When you receive the text, complete the confirmation as instructed on the screen. If the message takes a little time to arrive, wait a moment and make sure your phone has signal and can receive texts. After the number has been confirmed, it will appear in your list of phone numbers on the account. At this point, the number has been added successfully, but if you want to make it your main contact number, there's one more setting to update. Find the newly added phone number in the list, then click Change next to it. This opens the options for that phone number. From there, select the option to make the new number your primary phone number. This tells PayPal that this is the main number to use for your account moving forward. Once you save that change, your new phone number will be set as the primary one. It's a good idea to quickly review your phone numbers afterward to make sure everything looks correct. And that's all. You've now added a new phone number to your PayPal account and set it as the primary number.